Dear students, welcome back. In this chapter, we have only one exercise. So, first bit resolve into partial fractions. So, there are total 8 questions in the first bit. The first question is 1 by x plus 11 into x minus 3. See here, the denominator has non-repeated linear factors. So a divided by x plus 11 plus b divided by x minus 3. So take it as a equation 1. So now take the LCM, x plus 11 into x minus 3 is a LCM. So here we have x plus 11. So then multiply numerator with x minus 3. So x minus 3 into a plus here x minus 3, then multiply numerator with x plus 11. So x plus 11 into b, and here left side x plus 11 x minus 3. So here denominators are same on both sides of equal symbol, then we can equate the numerators on both sides. So x plus 11 into b, equation 2. So to get the a and b values, we have two methods. One is general, another one suppression method. I am using the suppression method to find a and b. So to get the a value, its denominator is x plus 11. So x plus 11 should be equals to 0, then x equals to minus 11. So x equals to minus 11, substitute in equation 2, then you will get a value. So next, to get the b value, its denominator is x minus 3. So x minus 3 equals to 0, then x equals to 3. Substitute x equals to 3 in equation 2, then you will get the b value. So 1 equals to 11 minus 3 into a plus minus 11, sorry, here actually minus 11. So minus 11 minus 3 into a plus minus 11 plus 11 into b. 1 equals to minus 11 minus 3 is minus 14 into a, and minus 11 plus 11 cancel, 0 into b. So 1 equals to minus 14a, then a equals to, so a equals to what? Minus 1 by 14. So next, substitute x equals to 3 in equation 2, then you will get the b value. So 1 equals to 3 minus 3 into a plus 3 plus 11 into b. So 1 equals to 3 minus 3 is 0 into a. Next, 3 plus 11 is 14 into b. So 1 equals to 0 plus 14b. So then b equals to 1 by 14. So b value 1 by 14 and a value minus 1 by 14. Let's substitute a and b values in the equation 1. So a value is 1 minus 1 by 14 divided by x plus 11, and b value is 1 by 14 divided by x minus 3. So minus 1 by 14 into x plus 11 plus 1 by 14 into x minus 3. So now the given fraction resolved into a partial fractions, which are minus 1 by 14 into x plus 11 and 1 by 14 into x minus 3. Next, second question, 1 by x minus 4 into x minus 9. So here the denominator has a non-repeated linear factors. So then same like a previous question. So it is equals to a divided by x minus 4 plus b divided by x minus 9. It is equals to equation 1. Here a and b are constant numbers. Okay. Now take the LCM. So x minus 4 into x minus 9. So here x minus 4, then multiply x minus 9 with the numerator. So x minus 9 into a. Here x minus 9, then multiply x minus 4 with the numerator. So x minus 4 into b, and here left side 1 by x minus 4 into x minus 9. Both denominators are cancelled, then 1 equals to x minus 9 into a plus x minus 4 into b. it is equals to equation 2. So to get the a value, its denominator is x minus 4. So then x minus 4 equals to 0, then x equals to 4. Substitute this 4 in equation 2, then you will get a value. Similarly, to get the b value, equate x minus 9 to 0, then x equals to 9. Substitute in equation 2, then you will get b value. So here 1 equals to 4 minus 9 into x plus 4 minus 4 into b. So 1 equals to 4 minus 9 is minus 5, minus, here actually a. So here b, 1 equals to minus 5a plus 4 minus 4 cancel, 0 into b. So 1 equals to minus 5a, then 1 by minus 5 equals to a. So then a equals to minus 1 by 5. So now substitute x equals to 9 in equation 2. So 1 equals to 9 minus 9 into a plus 9 minus 4 into b. So 1 equals to 9 minus 9, 0 into a. 9 minus 4 is 5b. So 1 equals to 5b. So then b equals to 1 by 5. So a value minus 1 by 5 and b value 1 by 5. Substitute them in equation 1. So a value is minus 1 by 5 by x minus 4 and b value is 1 by 5 by x minus 9. So it is equals to minus 1 by 5 into x minus 4 plus 1 by 5 into x minus 9. So finally the given fraction resolved into a partial fractions which are minus 1 by 5 into x minus 4 and 1 by 5 into x minus 9. So next to third question, there are two problems given in the third question, a and b. So a value 1 by x minus 8 into x minus 11 and b value 1 by x minus 8 into x plus 1. If you are observing the both questions, the denominator has a non-repeated linear factors. Here also non-repeated linear factors. So let's do the first problem in the general method and second problem in the suppression method. So it is equals to a divided by x minus 8 plus b divided by x minus 11 equation 1. Here a and b both are constant numbers. So take the LCM x minus 8 into x minus 11. So a into x minus 11 plus b into x minus 8, and here left side 1 by x minus 8 into x minus 11. So denominators are same, then equate the numerators. A into x minus 11 plus b into x minus 8. So let's simplify. A into x is ax minus 11a. B into x is bx minus 8b. So here 1 equals to, here ax bx, take the x common, so a plus b. Next to minus 11a and minus 8b. So now in the general method we need to equate the coefficients of x and constant, but here left side there is a no x term. Then how will you write the coefficient? 0. So 0 equals to a plus b, equation 1. Next to constant number. 1 is a constant number and here constant number is minus 11a minus 8b. So it is equation 3 and here equation 4. So let's use the elimination or substitution method. So I am using elimination method. But here equation 3 multiply with 11. So 0 into 11 is 0. 11a plus 11b. So equation 5. So now equation 5 plus equation 4. So minus 11a minus 8b equals to 1. Next to 11a plus 11b equals to 0. So minus 11a plus 11a cancel. Minus 8b plus 11b is 3b and 1 plus 0 is 1. Then finally b equals to 1 by 3. Substitute b equals to 1 by 3 either in equation 3, 4 or 5. I am substituting in equation 3. So equation 3 is a plus b equals to 0. So a plus b value is 1 by 3. It is equals 0. Then a equals to 0 minus 1 by 3. 0 minus 1 by 3 is minus 1 by 3. So a value, b value completed. Substitute them in equation 1. So the a value is minus 1 by 3 divided by x minus 8 and b value is 1 by 3 divided by x minus 11. So it is equals to minus 1 by 3 into x minus 8 plus 1 by 3 into x minus 11. Next to question number b. So it is equals to a divided by x minus 8 plus b divided by x plus 1. Here a and b both are constant numbers and take it as equation 1. So now take the LCM, x minus 8 into x plus 1. So x plus 1 into a plus x minus 8 into b, and here left side 1 by x minus 8 into x plus 1. So denominators are cancelled, then 1 equals to x plus 1 into a plus x minus 8 into b. Let's find out the a and b by using the suppression method. So equation 2. To get the a value, here denominator is x minus 8. So x minus 8 equals 0, then x equals to 8. Substitute in equation 2, then you will get a value. Next, to get the b value, its denominator is x plus 1. X plus 1 equals to 0, then x equals to minus 1. Substitute x equals to minus 1 in equation 2, then you will get the b value. So here x equals to 8, substitute in equation 2. So 8 plus 1 into a plus 8 minus 8 into b. So 1 equals to 8 plus 1 is 9a and 8 minus 8 is 0 into b. So 1 equals to 9a. Then what is the a value? A equals to 1 by 9. Next, substitute x equals to minus 1 in equation 2. So 1 equals to minus 1 plus 1 into a plus minus 1 minus 8 into b. So 1 equals to minus 1 plus 1 cancel, so 0 into a, and minus 1 minus 8 is minus 9 into b. Then 1 equals to minus 9b. So from this b equals to 1 by minus 9. 1 by minus 9 can write as a minus 1 by 9. So b value minus 1 by 9 and a value is 1 by 9. Substitute these two values in equation 1. So a value is 1 by 9 divided by x minus 8 and b value is minus 1 by 9 divided by x plus 1. So 1 by 9, here 1 by 9 into x minus 8, and here plus or minus minus 1 by 9 into x plus 1. So now the given fraction resolved into a partial fractions. So next to fourth problem, 4 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 5. In this question also the denominator has a non-repeated linear factors. So it is equals to a divided by x minus 2 plus b divided by x minus 5 equation 1. So the x minus 2 into x minus 5, a into x minus 5 plus b into x minus 2, and here denominators are cancelled, then 4 equals to a into x minus 5 plus b into x minus 2 equation 2. So now substitute x equals to get the a value, substitute x equals to 2 because denominator equals to 0 in equation 2. So 4 equals to a into, what is x value? 2. So 2 minus 5 plus b into 2 minus 2. So 4 equals to minus 3a plus 0. Then a equals to 4 by minus 3. It is implies minus 4 by 3. So now to get the b value, substitute x equals to 5 in equation 2. So 4 equals to a into 5 minus 5 plus b into 5 minus 2. So 4 equals to 0 plus 5 minus 2 is 3b, so then b equals to 4 by 3. So a value is minus 4 by 3 and b value is 4 by 3. Substitute them in equation 1. So a value minus 4 by 3 divided by x minus 2 and b value is 4 by 3 divided by x minus 5. So minus 4 by 3 into x minus 2 and 4 by 3 into x minus 5. So next fifth question, 1 by x plus 9 into x plus 7. So here also denominator has non-repeated linear factors. So a divided by x plus 9 plus b divided by x plus 7, equation 1. Here a and b both are constant numbers. So a into x plus 7 plus b into x plus 9. So x plus 9 into x plus 7. So now denominators are cancelled, then equate the numerators. So a into x plus 7 plus b into x plus 9, take it as a equation 2. So to get the a and b values, use a subtraction method. So substitute x equals to minus 9 in equation 2, then you will get the a value. So 1 equals to a into x value minus 9, so minus 9 plus 7 plus b into minus 9 plus 9. So 1 equals to a into minus 9 plus 7 is minus 2 plus b into minus 9 plus 9 is 0. 1 equals to minus 2a, then it is implies minus 1 by 2 equals to a. So now substitute x equals to minus 7 in equation 2 to get the b value. So 1 equals to a into minus 7 plus 7 plus b into minus 7 plus 9. So 1 equals to minus 7 plus 7 cancel, so it is 0. B into minus 7 plus 9 is 2. So 1 equals to 2b, then it is implies b equals to 1 by 2. So b value 1 by 2 and a value is minus 1 by 2. Substitute them in equation 1. So here I substitute a and b values. So finally the given fraction resolved into partial fractions. So next is sixth question. In the sixth question there are 4 problems. So here A, B, C and D. So here A problem, 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 3, and he mentioned R, 1 by x square plus 4x plus 3. So that means this denominator factorized and given in the question itself. So no need to factorize. And here denominator is x plus 1 into x plus 3. So these are non-repeated linear factors. So equation 1, and here x plus 1 into x plus 3. Now cancel the denominator. So 1 equals to x plus 3 into a plus b into x plus 1, equation 2. Use the separation method. So to get the a value, substitute x equals to minus 1 in equation 2. Because its denominator is x plus 1, so x plus 1 equals to 0, then x equals to minus 1. So substitute in equation 2, then you will get a value. So 1 equals to minus 1 plus 3 into a plus b into minus 1 plus 1. So then a value is 1 by 2. Now substitute x equals to minus 3 to get the b value. So 1 equals to minus 3 plus 3 into a plus b into minus 3 plus 1. So b equals to minus 1 by 2 and a value we already completed, that is 1 by 2. Substitute them in the equation 1. So here a value 1 by 2 divided by x plus 1 plus b value is minus 1 by 2 divided by x plus 3. So 1 by 2 into x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into x plus 3. Next b question, 1 by x plus 1 into x minus 2. So here also denominator has a non-repeated linear factors. So then a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x minus 2 equation 1. So next take the LCM. So then after the numerator will become x minus 2 into a plus x minus 1 into b. So denominators are cancelled, then 1 equals to x minus 2 into a plus x minus 1 into b. So take it as a equation 2. Substitute x equals to 1 in equation 2 because here denominator is x minus 1. From this x equals to 1. So 1 equals to 1 minus 2 into a plus 1 minus 1 into b. So here a equals to minus 1. So now substitute x equals to 2 in equation 2 and the b value is 1. So substitute a value minus 1 and b value 1 in equation 1. So a value is minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus b value is 1 divided by x minus 2. So no further simplification. So resolved into a partial fractions. Next C question, 1 divided by x minus 3 into x plus 1. So here denominator has a non-repeated linear factors. So here equation 1, next take the LCM. So finally your denominators are cancelled, then equate the numerators. 1 equals to x plus 1 into a plus x minus 3 into b, equation 2. So now substitute x equals to 3 in equation 2 to get the a value. So 1 equals to x value 3, so 3 plus 1 into a plus 3 minus 3 into b. So the a value is 1 by 4. Substitute x equals to minus 1 in equation 2. So 1 equals to minus 1 plus 1 into a plus minus 1 minus 3 into b. So 1 equals to, so b value minus 1 by 4 and a value we already completed, that is 1 by 4. Substitute them in equation 1. So the final answer is 1 by 4 into x minus 3 minus 1 by 4 into x plus 1. So the next question is D, 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 3. So here denominator has non-repeated linear factors. So here it is equation 1. Now take the LCM. So now cancel the denominators and equate the numerators. 1 equals to x minus 3 into a plus x minus 1 into b. Take it as a equation 2. Substitute x equals to 1 in equation 2 to get the a value. So the a value is minus 1 by 2. Substitute x equals to 3 in equation 2 to get the b value. So b value is 1 by 2 and a value is minus 1 by 2. Substitute them in equation 1. So the answer is minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into x minus 3. We can rewrite this answer just by writing the first term 1 by 2 into x minus 3 and the second term next minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1. Next, seventh question, there are 3 problems given A, B, C. First problem is 1 by x into x plus 1. Here denominator has non-repeated linear factors. So a divided by x plus b divided by x plus 1 equation 1. It is equals to, take the LCM, x into x plus 1. So here x, then multiply x plus 1 with a. So x plus 1 into a. And here x plus 1, then multiply x with b, x into b. So here denominators are cancelled, then 1 equals to x plus 1 into a plus x into b, equation 2. So to get the a value, its denominator is x, so then x equals to 0, substitute in equation 2. So substitute x equals 0 in equation 2. So 1 equals to 0 plus 1 into a plus 0 into b. 1 equals to 0 plus 1 is 1 into a plus 0 into b, 0, 1 equals to a. So now substitute x equals to minus 1 in equation 2, then you will get b value. So 1 equals to minus 1 plus 1 into a plus minus 1 into b. 1 equals to minus 1 plus 1 is 0 into a. So minus 1 into b is minus b. 1 equals to minus b. So from this b value how much? Minus 1. So substitute a value 1, which is already found, and b value minus 1 in equation 1. So the final answer is 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1. Next b question, 1 by x into x plus 3. So here also denominator has non-repeated linear fact. So it is equals to a by x plus b by x plus 3 equation 1. So take the LCM. Next cancel the denominator. So 1 equals to x plus 3 into a plus b into x. So now substitute x equals to 0 in equation 2. So the a value is 1 by 3. Next substitute x equals to minus 3 in equation 2. So then b value is minus 1 by 3, and we already found a value is 1 by 3. Substitute them in equation 1. So the answer is 1 by 3x minus 1 by 3 into x plus 3. So next the C question is 1 by x into x minus 3. Here also denominator has a non-repeated linear factors. So then a divided by x plus b divided by x minus 3 equation 1. Now take the LCM. Now cancel the denominators and equate the numerators. So x minus 3 into a plus b into x equation 2. So substitute x equals to 0 in equation 2. Then a value is minus 1 by 3. Now substitute x equals to 3 in equation 2. Then b value is 1 by 3, and we already found a value is minus 1 by 3. So substitute them in equation 1. So the answer is minus 1 by 3x plus 1 by 3 into x minus 3. So the last problem in this bit, that is x divided by x plus 2 into x minus 3. Here also denominator has a non-repeated linear factors. So a divided by x plus 2 and plus b divided by x minus 3. So take it as a equation 1. Now take the LCM, x plus 2 into x minus 3. Now cancel the denominators and equate the numerators. X equals to x minus 3 into a plus x plus 2 into b. Let's find this a and b values by using the general method. Equation 2. Sorry, here no need to take the equation 2, just you simplify. So x equals to ax minus 3a plus bx plus 2b. So x equals to ax bx, take the x common, so bracket of a plus b. Next constant numbers minus 3a plus 2b. So now what we have to do, equate the coefficient of x on both sides. Here x coefficient is 1 and here x coefficient is a plus b, equation 1. Next constant numbers, left side there is a no constant number, so take it as a 0, and right side constant number is minus 3a plus 2b, equation 2. Use elimination method. So that is why equation 1 multiply with 3. So then 3 equals to 3a plus 3b, equation 3. So here plus 3a minus 3a cancel, 3b plus 2b is 5b, and 3 plus 0 is a 3, and b equals to 3 by 5. Substitute b equals to 3 by 5 either in any equation. So I am substituting in the minus 3a plus 2b equals to 0. Here minus 3a plus 2b, 2 into 3 by 5, it is equals to 0. And minus 3a plus 2 into 3, 6 by 5, it is equals to 0. Minus 3a equals to minus 6 by 5, and a equals to minus 6 by 5 into 1 by minus 3. Here minus minus cancel, 3 ones are 3 twos are, so a value is 2 by 5. Now substitute a and b values in equation 1. So a value 2 by 5 and b value 3 by 5. So a value is 2 by 5 divided by x plus 2 plus b value is 3 by 5 divided by x minus 3. So the answer is 2 by 5 into x plus 2 plus 3 by 5 into x minus 3. So finally the fraction resolved into a partial fractions.